Hey everybody, I have some really cool Goodwill thrifts that I've been doing for the last couple months, so I have a lot of stuff, but I also have this lady in the background that's going to say low battery because we can't figure that one out, so sort of ignore her, please. She's how many, every
45 seconds, I think.
Every 45 seconds, but we put new batteries in it. It's wired to the house, so we haven't figured it out yet, so please forgive that low battery lady. She's consistent though. Every 45 seconds. All right, anyway, I got these great buys from Goodwill, and I've already taken some of the stickers off, but I can tell you about where I paid for it. Normally I try to do the half price, so I try to go on the days like Monday or Tuesday before everybody has scarfed everything up. So, but I'm going to get started on some of these now. This one, I sort of pulled it off. It was $4.99, but I got it for $2.50. And it's stoneware. It's made by Crafton, but I think this is really, really pretty. It's just a little bit different. You could use it for cheese or crackers. It's very smooth. It's got a little bit of that sticker right there, but yeah, I'm going to show you how I style all this later, so stay tuned till the end, because you'll get to see it all together. Then I got this cute little teacup kettle. This was $3.99. It shows that it was $12.99 somewhere, and I probably got it for $2 because it's a blue, and that day I went for the blue day. But this is no cracks, no chips, but it's got little, I think it's got little pansies on it. You can't really see it, but they're like a mustard color. So that was a good buy. This I absolutely love. It's heavy duty. I'm gonna think I probably paid $9.99 for it. Some of this stuff I will pay full price because I know when I come back it probably won't be there. But it's got a very rustic look, and it's just a really beautiful piece. It's pottery, it's heavy duty, so love this piece. It's quite beautiful actually. Oh, this I think I've showed you before because I had this, got this around right before Christmas. This I paid $9.99 for too because I knew I didn't want somebody else to get it. The sticker's gone. You can see the sticker was there, but this is gorgeous. It's heavy. It's got like a dark green, just sturdy, heavy pottery. And that is such a beautiful piece. You can use it at Christmas, holidays, any time of the year, because it is gorgeous. Got this cute little vase. I still didn't get the sticker off, but I'm gonna say maybe $4 or $5. It's like a milky white. It's really pretty. It's like a really pretty milky white vase. Then I have this canister that was, I'm gonna say probably $6, and I probably paid $3 for it. But again, it's in perfect condition. It's made in India. So it's got some really nice designs on it. Of course, the lid. I'm gonna try to put a rubber band around it because that can sort of help with the noise and keeping it from being chipped. Because right now it doesn't have any chips, but it is in my possession. That could be scary. It could be. Anyway. Okay, next one, I must have, 15, 20 candlesticks. Every time I see one, I pick one up. I usually pick them up when they're half price, so I have very many. This is ceramic. This was $6.99, so I probably paid $3.50 for it. It's got some metal to it and some great looking designs on it. Not sure this was made in China, but I'm not sure. I don't think it's vintage. I think it's just could have come from maybe Hobby Lobby, because Hobby Lobby usually has those little pads on it, but it was $3.50, and I just liked the way it looked. And there it is. Okay, the next is this other one I got. This is pretty heavy too. This was $3.50. This was made in China. This is wood, and it's really heavy. It's quite tall. And then my last little candlestick that I'm using in this particular style that I'm going to show you. This is metal. This was $3.50. It's metal and it's really pretty. It's got some really great designs on it. I'm not sure where it's from. It's got a green part to it in the middle, so it's got some color to it, but it's mostly metal. And then I got this heavy duty Eiffel Tower. It's like a dark, I have quite a few that I've bought over the years, but this one was $3. And it's like a dark brown or black, but I have some that I've bought over the years that are glitter. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be styling with. So I'm going to come over here and show you how I'm going to style all of this. I'm going to start out with this big one right here. As you can see, it's pretty big. I don't know if you can see it. I might have to. So starting out with this space, as you can see. And then, let's see. I'm going to put the Eiffel Tower right there. I'm going to put the candlesticks over here. There's three of them. They're three different sizes, which makes it really nice because you can do different sizes, which will make it look a little more balanced. And I do have this little wooden, I don't know if you can see it, it's a wooden riser, and I had gotten that a while back at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to put the canister on that one. And this big, beautiful vase that I absolutely love. I do. It's just got so much texture and character to it. So I'll put that right there. And this little milky. This is really pretty though. It's really smooth and it's got a little bit of a glaze to it, but it's just really pretty. I'm going to stick down the pink right there. Trying to stay in the same color palette if possible. I've got this cute little teapot. And I have some candles that are just, you know, the fake ones. I don't even know if they turn on. They probably don't because they don't have batteries in them, but I'm just going to use them right now for decorations. So I will put one there. It looks a little crooked. I think that one got melted a little bit. Okay. Also, I wanted some greenery in there. So this is mine. I bought this. I don't even remember where I bought it. I've had it for a while. But I'm just going to add some greenery over here just to give it some color. And I love this piece right here. Like I said, this could be a good cracker or cheese dish, but I'm just going to put it right there. I'm going to move these a little bit. And let's see. I think it needs some flowers of some sort. I had these already in my stash. This is like a pretty, it's almost like a lace leaf. And then I have this, probably got it at Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to stick that in the vase. I'll stick this one right here. And last but not least, I got this gorgeous vine. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to put it in this space right here, just to give it some, let's see, let's move this back a little bit, this back. I'm going to turn this like that, and put this here, just move it around. I just think this just would give it some different flavor there. Put this back over here some. And that is that. And let me know what you guys think, because I love the way it looks. I don't know if you can see it, but we will do a recap at the end. Thank you for watching. Wait for the recap and subscribe. Hit the like button and the notification bell. And then the next time you'll know when we have a video comes up. Take care. Love you guys. Bye.